Hi guys, another video on the MT-10. This time it's the SP fly screen that we've released recently. Just giving you a quick look around it. We've fitted it to the bike yesterday, got a few photos of it. So here's the bike standard, obviously with the standard screen fitted. Yeah, it's very similar. It's a similar design, isn't it? You just added a bit of height to it.
Yeah, a little bit of a flick on the top, but basically it's the same thing in a lot of ways. I thought the shape of the headlight kind of dictates that shape, I think, really.
Yeah.
I think it's the best way to do it, really. It's sort of copy the shape and put a paint job on it, really.
Yeah. Just showing you here what kind of packaging we use. We use quite a thick paper, which obviously stops any scratching basically of the paintwork. We also put a bit of foam in there before it goes into a plastic bag, so package these things really well because obviously we send them around the world. But yeah, here it is fitted. This is obviously the pyramid screen, so you can see there is an added bit of height, so you've got a little bit more kind of airflow getting boosted up over you, as opposed to the standard screen there where it's just a little bit less of a flick on it basically.
Yeah, that's the main thing really, is that it's like kind of, there's a bit of an angle, like
yeah,
that the original screen's quite straight, whereas ours has got a bit of a flick in it.
Flicks
I think it was about 15 or 20 degrees.
Yeah,
added to it. Yeah.
So here it is fitted. Obviously we've got all the other parts on there as well. Yeah, I think it looks really good. I think it's real kind of, obviously it's been paint matched to the bike. It's in keeping with the bike.
Yeah.
So it's not a very, I suppose it looks like a fairly OEM edition really.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's what we're going for. And whenever we paint anything, it's to try and make it sort of an extension of what was supposed to be there, I suppose, or what could have been there by the designers of the bike.
You want it to look like it came like that out of the factory basically, don't you?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that one. I think it looks cool.
I think it looks great, yeah. We've had quite a lot of people buy them already. One thing I have done actually, which I did yesterday after this video, is I've had that MT-10 sticker off the air intake.
Oh yeah.
It came off really easily. I just got the heat gun out, which Mark had advised us to try, and yeah, it came straight off. Bit of polish, and it didn't leave any residue on the air intake, so I'll take some photos of that soon and post them online, because I think it looks a lot better actually with just the one logo on the side.
Yeah.
But yeah, so obviously all these parts are available now. The belly pan should be in stock very soon. We're working on a new hugger. We've got the little wing coming soon. So yeah, plenty more. Any thoughts? Drop us a line.
Thank you.
Cheers.